Hello friends, welcome to this week's website design full course. In this course, we are going to learn how to design professional Wix website. So whether you are business owners, blogger, freelancer or just want to learn how to design your website, this tutorial is designed for you. By the end of this series, you will learn how you can design your website, professional website we can say. So in this tutorial, I'm going to cover 10 different types of websites. So you will learn to create shop website, then e-commerce website, school website, Shopee, cafe shop, restaurant. So different types of layouts will create so you can understand how to use various elements in your Wix website design. So once your basic concepts of Wix website and editing part is clear, then you can design your own professional website. So without wasting time, let's get started. Welcome to part 1 of Wix website design series. Part 1 is about how to create your Wix account. I'm Sonali, your instructor, and with me you are going to learn how to create your Wix website. So first step is to create your very own Wix account. So follow all the steps as it is to create your Wix account. Open your browser and in browser just search for Wix. The first one is the Wix official website. Click on this and open this in new tab. Now to create your Wix account, just click on login button on top. It's loading. Okay, now it's visible. Click on this login button and close this icon. Right now we don't have all the credentials or account ready, so we have to sign up. To sign up, click on this sign up option, and we have three options to create your account. First one is you can create your account with the help of your email id and your password, and in second method you can use your Google account to sign in with the Wix account, and last one is to go with the Facebook. So for first one, just provide your email id, confirm your email id, choose password and confirm password. So in this way first steps you can complete. For second part, continue with the Google. Just click on this and select your account, and that's done. Your Wix account will be ready. And last one is to continue with the Facebook. You have to give all your Facebook account details. So these are the two ways. I already created my account and I use this continue with the Google option. So in next part, keep your Google or Wix account ready with Google, Facebook or with normal email id also you can create. And from next part onwards we'll see how to create your Wix website design. Thanks for watching. In this part, we are going to learn how to select theme for your Wix website. So before getting started with the actual design process, it is important to select proper theme. Now I hope you have created your Wix account. So let's get started with your theme selection part. Open your Wix account, and if you are on this screen, you have to go with create new site option, or if you are on this page, main dashboard, then just click on this part Wix website. In front of that there will be create new site in your case, so click on that create new site option. I'm proceeding with this tab. Now follow all the steps as it is to select your theme. Now click on setup without AI. In first part I'm going to show you how you can create restaurant website. So with all these details I'm going to give restaurant related information. So I want to create restaurant website. Click on next. Feel free to provide all the correct answers here because it will help you to select your theme. Yummy food. It's your website title or name of your company you can give here. Then click on next and skip this part. And we have to go with begin with template, this option. Click on this. Now actual process of theme selection will get started. So this is the page where you can see all the Wix themes which are related with the restaurant. So you have to select one theme from this. You can go through all themes using this view option, view in new tab. Select or check first design of that pre-made theme. So using this option you can view your theme. We have 3 pages, so I'm going to go with this theme, restaurant related theme. For that we have to click on edit. If you want to view, click on this view option. So this is the theme. it will load. Okay, so this is the theme which we are going to use to create your restaurant website. It is one page theme, but I'm going to show you how you can create it more professional and more attractive. So let's get started with this part. Close this tab and click on edit option. Select your theme and click on edit option, and it will take 2 to 3 minutes to load this page. Once this page is ready, we can start Wix website design. So in next part, we are going to start. First part, I'll explain you basic elements of Wix, and then we'll start with the actual design. This part is about introduction to your Wix editor. Once your theme page is properly loaded, then we can proceed with all the following steps. So just open your theme part, and in this section you have to just add some description about your site title. So just add some text which will describe about your site. I already prepared one text, so I'm just copy pasting here. Then your type of site is restaurant, and your site name is your business name or your shop name, your restaurant name. So in this way you can fill all these details and then click on generate site text. So within 1 to 2 seconds. So this page is your Wix editor. So using all these options and functionalities, you are going to design your website, or you can modify themes using all these tabs. So let me explain you all the tabs step by step. First, we'll go with save, preview and publish. By name also you can understand functionalities. So preview is just to check the functionality or your a site before it's launch or before it is live on internet. Then to save all the changes, you have to first click on save, and third is publish option. Publish, it's here written, click publish to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So publish is the last step. First we have to preview your website, all the changes. If you want to change anything, change, and then click on save button. And once your save and preview part is done, to go live, click on publish. So I hope all these three tabs are clear. Now we can move to the next tab. In next row we have pages option. Click on this arrow and you can see all the pages from your website. Next we have mobile and desktop icon. Right now we are designing your website for desktop, and if you want to adjust your layout for your mobile view, then click on this mobile icon. So using this mobile icon you can adjust your all the layouts and theme structure for mobile screen size. So for that reason this mobile icon is useful. So you can adjust your structure, your font size, then button size for your mobile screen. And to design for desktop, go with this desktop icon. Now in the same row we have undo and redo. You know for what reason it is used. To just go back one step you use undo, and again to come back we'll use redo. Now to increase the size of the screen, use this zoom button. You can use to decrease and increase. Then tools part we are not going to use, and search is also not required. Now we'll move to the next part. Now click on this plus sign. This is important part because using all these elements you are going to design your website. We have text, images, button, decorative part, box, gallery. All these things you will learn and you will use while designing your website. Right now I'm just giving you the introduction of various elements. So just scroll down and you can find social media icons, customer management system, blogs, etc. Now next part is to add section. So in this website, this is your header section. Then this is about you, about your company section. We have form, contact us, footer section. So if you want to add more section, you can go with this section icon, and from here you can select. If you want to add about your team, this theme is providing you some pre-built option for adding your about us. Then to add your gallery, use this gallery option, and here you will get your gallery. It's still loading. Then we have team, then we have contact part. So all these are pre-made themes or sections. So use this, change your text and add into your site section. So this part is done. So I'll explain you all these things in detail. We'll use all these footers, client testimonials, all this part. Now before that we have to learn one more tab, which is pages and menu. In your website right now we have 1 2 3 4 about reservation, menu, about more, 4 tabs. If you want to add more pages, you can add using this pages option. To add pages, we have to click on this add page and you can add new page. After this we have to use this theme option, site design. Your fourth icon is site design. You can change theme color, you can change theme background, then page transition. All these settings you can like modify using this fourth icon. After that we have apps. If you used your WordPress, then there we have something called as plugins. In Wix website we have apps, so here you can add various apps like clock, then timer, forms, AI chat. All these things are available here. You have to just search for that app name and then you can install that app in your Wix website. And then we have media is simple one, like all your photos, studios, videos are available here. And if you want to download, you want to use free source from Wix images, you can use from here also. Show here, show more option. This is Wix media gallery. You can use it for creating your images, or using these images you can create your website. So just scroll down and you can select. All these images are free and actually they are high quality images, so it will give more attractive color combination to your website and you can make your website more professional. So now just scroll down to the last option. In last we have customer management system. Customer management system is used when you are designing e-commerce website or any ordering related website. So right now for this kind of website we are not going to use customer management system, but in last part when I'm going to show you how to design e-commerce website, at that time this CMS will be useful. So in this way I think we have covered all the tabs, your save, preview, publish, and all these icons. This tab is very important, plus add elements. We are going to use it like for all your sections. We need to add images, we need to add buttons, gallery, and one more is a section part. So in next part we are going to start designing your header part. In this part we are going to learn how to design your header section. In previous part I explained you all the functionalities of Wix editor. So now it's time to use all these functionalities to design your website. So open your Wix editor page. Now this is your default theme which we selected using theme option. Header section is about your this header part and this header image. So we are going to first focus on designing your header section. So to change your header name, just click on this name and give your company name here. I'm giving here as Yummy Food. You can use this arrow to adjust your text width. Now to change text types, text color, and text what we can say background color, just click on this option, edit text. Now here you can change it to heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. To change your font style, use this font style option, scroll down and you can select any one of the font style. So I'm thinking to select now this one, which is pretty. To change your font size, you can use this arrow also, or add your font size here. It is in pixel 23, 20, 22. To just undo, you can use this undo option to go back. Again I'm fixing the size 27. 27 is the perfect one. To change the color, we have here option called as color. Click on this color icon and change color. To make it bold, use this bold. For italic, you can use italic option. For underline, there is one more option. So in this way you can edit your font. Then to change alignment, we have here center, left, right. To make it as a bullet number, there is option to change it to bullet and icon. If you want to change effects, if you want to add anything specific like character, line spacing, vertical text, all these things you can edit using this edit text option. So right now I just want to make it bold and I have changed the color, font color, not only the font type of the title. So in this way we have created your text for your site title. Now to add your logo. To add logo, click on this plus tab and scroll down and select on image option, and here upload image and close this one and click on media from Wix. Just search for food, and we want illustration, not a logo. So instead of images, click on illustration, and you can choose any one of the logo. Right now I'm just choosing logo. If you want to design logo, that separate video I'll create for you, how to design your own professional logo. But for now let's go with this one. Click on add to page and just adjust width and height. Drag this logo here and adjust size according to your page. So in this way we have added logo and your text, your website title. Now let's see about header part. Now in header section, to change your menu, click on this menu part, horizontal menu, and manage menus. Here you can see we have new page, reservation, menu, and more, and home page is not there. We have home pages but it is hidden, so make it visible using this three dot. Click on this three dot and show option. So here we can see we have home, new page, reservation, more. If you want to add one more page, right now we have new page, just rename it to services. And if you want to add one more page, click on this add page option and select which page you want to add. It is about us, contact us. So if you want to add contact us, you can click on this contact us part and then choose the layout. Just scroll down and choose one layout from this. I think we should choose this one where we have form and map. So add this page, click on add page, and your page will get added. So in this way we have added one more page and header section is done. Now to change styling of your header section, click on this header part again and then design part. From here you can change the layout of your header or your menu. I don't want to change, I just want to customize the design, so I'm going with customize design option. And now to change text formatting, click on text, change it font size to 20, not 20, let's make it 18, 19, 18. To make it bold, click on this bold. To change font type, use this font type, theme, paragraph 1, paragraph 2, heading. So this you can select using this theme option. Now next important part is hover and click. When you hover on your menu, what color you want? I want this color to be there. No, I want black color. And for hover, I think we can go with for click, I think we should go with font color. Okay, you can change according to your convenience. I'm thinking to change this to dark brown color. So all these changes will get saved. Then if you want to add anything more, like in customized design you have text color option, then we have, I think we have to check all the options for you because first time you are designing. We have shadow, then we have corner option, text spacing option. So just go through all these options if you want to use, but I think for your header there is no need to, menu part there is no need to use all these options. Only we want this hover and click option. So in this way we have created your menu section. Now let's adjust all these extra tabs that we have in your header section. We have one more tab called as order online. So change the space, and I remove that one extra icon was there, so you can adjust this button. We have order online. Just drag down this one here. First delete your bucket and then change position of this button. You can remove this login part also. For this website there is no need to add login. This is only a website which will provide information, not ordering system. In e-commerce and online shopping, at that time you need this login part. So remove this one for now. Remove. Okay. and just take this button here, order online, and change text to contact us. Or you can provide your phone number here on this tab. Now to change this to the bold, click on this design tab, customize design, then text and bold. Change size to 17 pixel, and you can change font style. To change font style, again go to that customization part, text, in font part, scroll down and choose your font style. I'm just searching for font style. Okay, in this way we have created your header part. We have added logo, your title name, then menu part, how to add page, how to make your home tab visible. To make home tab visible, you have to click on this manage menu, home, and then show part. Here it is hide, because already it was hide, now it's shown, so you have to change this option. And then we learned how to adjust this button and your header spacing. In next part we are going to see about this image and how you can add some tagline on this image also. Now before starting header image part, let's see how to freeze your header. If you want to freeze your header, select your header section and click on this setting tab and click on header scroll setting and select freezes, so your header will get freeze. So let's see preview. Click on the second tab, freezes. Once it is done, open your preview tab, and in preview tab you can see your header is properly freezed on top. So in this way we have freezed your header and we have designed your header part. Now if you want to adjust the height of your header, use this arrow to adjust your Wix website header part. You can increase height using this arrow. To decrease, just use this one. Again, if you want to change, just adjust. Now let's see how to change your header image. Now to change header image, just click on this image, right click and click on change background, change column background. Click on image option and go with media from Wix. Here you can get free media, high quality of images, food plate, and select one image from this for your background. You can scroll down and select image. Okay, I'm selecting this one as background image, then change background. First select this image and then click on change background. In this way we have changed background. Now to add some text on this image, we have to select from this plus icon, select text, and in text heading 1. Now we have heading here, just adjust the position and replace text. First change text color to white so you can read it properly, and replace your header with tagline. So I already decided one tagline and paste it here. Then if you want it to be in one line, use this arrow, its fist, and make it bold. Change font size to 54. To add one more text line, I'm going to again follow the same steps. Click on plus icon, text, and right now it's going to be heading 2. In heading 2, I have one more short tagline. So that tagline I'm going to add there without double quotes. Just removing this double quotes. Copy this text and paste in your heading 2. Change font color to white, or you can change it to cream color. First close this one, select your text and then change text color, then bold, and to adjust length, I think we should change color to some yellow or red. choose color using this color palette. We have dark red, just selecting one color. Okay, this one is the perfect one. So in this way we have created your, again it got changed. Let me again change. In add you have to click on this color, then you have to click on apply button. I missed out to click on this apply part. First select your all text, go to your color section. Now it is there. So in this way we have, oh it's the same again, why it is changing color. I was about to finish this section, but let me again change the color. Now click on apply, select this color, close this tab, close this one. Okay, now it's there. So in this way we have completed your header image part. If your color is not reflecting, again please follow the same step which I did. Select your text, click on this color icon. First to add you have to click on add option, select your color, then click on apply and then close this tab. Otherwise your text color will not get reflect for your text. So in this way we have completed this part. So in next section we'll see how you can add your about us part. Now to design your about us section, just click on this part and here you will get one option called as add new section. So using this option, click on this plus sign and we want to add about us. So to add about us section, click on about us part and here you can see we have different layout. So I want to go with the third one where we have one image and some text. So we'll go with the third option. And now here to change your image, just click on this image and change column background, then image option. Now we are going to use free media from Wix. Just ask for some restaurant website, a restaurant image. Here you can add your front store, like front part of your restaurant in your about us section. So I'm using one from this list. I want to add like seating arrangement or people enjoying your food, that kind of image I'm searching. Okay, we can add this one. Click on change background. So using this option you can add your background, and then to change this about us section, click on this about us and add your text part. You know how to change text formatting. Just click on this text, then change font style, bold, italic, increase font size, decrease font size option is there. Now here you can add one more tagline. I'm thinking to add the same tagline here. If you have new one you can add here, and if you don't want to add, just remove this part. Click on backspace, right click and delete. But right now I'm adding some text here, and then change text, make it bold. If you want to change color, change color. And now we have to add some text about your restaurant. So I already prepared one text file, so I'm just copying a few lines from this, paste here. Same, using same method, change your font style, then font color, font type, alignment. For alignment, just justify to the right or left. And if you want to change text color, change text color. So using this step we have designed your about us part. So your header image, your header section, menu part, about us section is ready. In next part we are going to learn how to add menu, because it is a restaurant website, menu is must. So we have to learn how to add menu in next part. Now let's see how to design your menu section. As it is a restaurant website, so main attention is going to be on your menu section because it will describe your specialty, what kind of dishes you are offering, special offer, everything. So with more efforts, we are going to design your menu section. And for menu section, I'm going to share with you two design layout. So using this two design layout, you can design your Wix website menu section. So for first layout, click on this plus icon. Before that, let's add one section below this, below your about us section. So click on add section, and then you have to go to this section tab. In section tab, just scroll down and search for list. And in list, go with the fourth option, which is list title and few images. So I'm going to select this one. Just click on it. So we'll use this layout for adding your menu section. So let me change the title to menu. Change to menu. Now this is the line where you can describe something about your menu section. So I'm not updating this line. Assume that it is a line about your menu. So you can update according to your menu description. Now let's see how to update these images. To update image, you have to click on this circle icon and change image. Now using media Wix or free media from Wix, you can update your images. So I'm updating with free media images, food menu. Just give me 2 minutes so that I can update all the images and we can proceed with the next designing part. So quickly I'm updating all these things. From Wix you will get high quality and clear images, so it will improve your website design layout also. So just select images from Wix, or you can use third party platform. There are third party platform like Pixabay, where also you can get this kind of images. But you have to download, and using this upload media option you have to upload that image here. But right now this all images are from Wix, so there is no need to upload it. Just you have to select and change your images. Food menu. And then last two images I have to update. Change image, media from Wix, food. Also you can create section about your dishes, like non-veg part, veg part, Chinese part. So in this way you can update your, but let me show you how you can create that section. So you can also add one last image is there that I'll update first. Okay, right now we have all the images updated. So what I was saying, like you can create section. For creating sections, click on this plus tab and go for box option, and from box select one rectangle, select this one, change height and width. So just adjust, and here you have to add this tab and just again I'm adjusting the length and height. Again click on plus tab, select text, and right now select heading 5. Add here non-veg menu and drag this text and place it here. Change text color to white and change it to bold, reduce the size 26, 20. You can manually also add or use this arrow to change size. Then again you can reduce the size of your box. First let me reduce the size of box and then we can overlap that text on it. Okay, so using this method you can create section. Here is a non-veg, then you can create pizza section, dessert section, or in middle part also you can add. Instead of here, if you want to keep it in center align, just follow this step, add here non-veg. Below this like you can add 2 rows for non-veg, then after this 2 rows for your dessert, for your special menu. So using this method we have created menu using first design layout. So I'm going to share with you second layout part also. For second layout structure there is no need to add separate section. Within same section I'm going to teach you how you can add your next part. So just increase height of your section using this arrow, increase so that we can add 2 more rows. Once this is done, click on this plus sign and here we have to go for list option, and from list select first one and just adjust the position. Above it add one more title for your menu card. For adding title again we have to go with text and heading 2, place it in middle and give title as a menu. Then change position to the center and then adjust your menu text position. Now we have to update these 3 images. You can update these images using the same method. Just you have to click on this image, change background, image option, and then junk food we can say. Now update images, change background. Same for second card. Click on this image, change background, again images, media from Wix and your food chat image. No chat, junk food. Junk food. We have all boxes here, so let me update from this image options, and we have to update one more. Junk food. Just last one. Let's add this one, and we have updated your 3 cards. So in text part you can add dish name here, dish name, just update your dish name, and here just add some specialty about it, and here you can give price, update price rate for all the images. This image is not perfectly fitting here, so change this background. Again from media gallery only, Wix media gallery I'm updating. So this is the second way to add your menu card. We have few more options, but if you want you can use this one. So let me just show you quickly how you can add few more options. So again go to this plus tab, go to gallery option, And in gallery we have this part which is flip cards. So how to use it, that also I can explain you properly. So just adjust position. One second, where it is added. Okay, it's here. Again you have to increase height of your previous section and adjust position for these cards. Now we have option to change image. First change image. Click on add image and media from Wix. Burger image. And update your image. Only one section I'm going to show you how you can update. So in similar way you can update for your rest of the cards. Okay, now you have to update your text. Change your text here to change image is done. Change text, here you have to change text. Burger and click on done. Now let me show you the preview of this, so how this section will work. Now this is your section. You have to just hover over that card and your menu will be visible. So in this way you can update your all menu cards. So we have three options to update. First, you can use this section to add your menu card, where in circular part you will present your menu. In next we have proper square card, and in last this is the a title, flip title, you can say flip cards. So use this three way, or you have more options also. If you can explore your Wix website editing part, so you can get more options to show your menu. So in next part, let's see how you can add about your team section. Adding about your team is very easy. You have to just click on add section first, then go to this tabs and search for teams. In teams you have various layouts, so you can choose any one of it and you can update images and add details. So for your reference, I'm just selecting the second one, and your task is to just update these details, your team members images and their description. So using this method also you can update your team member details. But we have one more option. Click on again add section, go to teams part. You can use the last one where you will get more space to add about your teammate, because we have almost 1 2 4 5 6 team members, and you get here space to add some more description. Instead of one line you can add some speciality about what kind of dish they are preparing, about their experiences. So using this two layout, design your team section. In next part we are going to see how to add about your service part. Now for designing about your service section, only two steps, because we have pre-designed template ready. Add section and go to your service tab, and from services you can choose one layout. I'm thinking to choose one, third, fourth one. So select fourth one and just update all the information. Here you can add like 24/7 hygienic, then your rating, 5-star rating, budget friendly. So using this layout, complete your service section also. In next part we'll see how you can add contact form and Google Map in your Wix website. In contact section I'm thinking to add one Google Map and one form. So for doing it, let's add one section. Click here add section and search for contact tab. In contact tab, here we have let me check all the details first. Okay, we can add separately. First add Google form and then we can add Google Maps. So use this one where we have Google Forms and your map ready. So here we have your contact section ready. You have to update your satellite details, manage location. To update, add address here, add your title, description, and update your Google Map. And in this contact section you have to update your address, your phone number and your email ID. So using this predefined template you can easily create your contact part also. There is no need to design footer part because we have footer already ready in this theme part. So just you have to update all the details, your address, opening hours, contact us, and remaining extra parts just delete using click right on that section part and just delete. Again there is one blank space, select that space, delete. Same for last one. So finally we have website ready. In this full tutorial I explain you from starting. I'm just revising all the part that we have covered. We updated your logo, your title, your menu section, then header image, added one tagline here. After that your about us section. And for menu I explain you 2 to 3 ways design in which you can design your menu section. So use these ideas to design your menu part. And after that we have created your team section using ready-made template or ready-made design. After that we have updated one more part for your team. And then service section, as I explain you, in services you have to add some specialty about your restaurant, like 24/7, your hygiene, your quality, your star rating, all these things you can update in this section. And last is contact part. Just now we updated, you have to update your Google map, then one form and all your details, contact details, including your address, your email ID, and your social media links. After that footer section is already there in your theme, so we have not updated it. From your side you just need to update all these details, add links and every details. In next part we are going to learn how to publish this website. Once your designing part is done, last part is to publish your website. To publish your website, we have to use this blue button with name publish. Click on this option. And if you have your customized domain, means like your foodname.com or your website name.com, you can add that domain here in this blank space and connect that domain with this website. Otherwise, you can use the free domain which is provided by Wix. Right now I'm using free one. So just select this one and click on view site. So this is your live website. Here you can see all the layouts are visible which we added during this full course. So just scroll down, we have Google Maps, Teams, everything is there. So this is your live website. So now we have your Wix website ready. In this full video we have covered all the important topics, like how to create your Wix account, then your basic editor concepts, then how to use different elements and content blocks to create structure of your website. So by the end of this video we have created your professional website. And in this video we have just used basic layouts which are predefined or pre-designed by Wix. In next video we are going to learn more about different functionalities, like how you can add interactive forms, then clock, timer, chat, all these things which will improve your functionality and like we can say more engaging website you can create. And for learning that, please watch my next video. By the end of this video, I think if you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section so that I can create separate video for that to resolve your query. And thanks for watching this tutorial.